What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a loose sliding door handle. So this one here is a patio sliding door handle, nice and loose. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this one here is a nice simple fix. You can see here it's nice and loose. All you need to do is come along the side of the door here and you'll see two screws that hold the outer cover in. Simply back these ones here off. Then your outer cover will come off. There's two little screws on the inside, there's one here and one here. Just simply line it up wherever you're happy with that final position, which looks pretty good right there, and just simply tighten them in place. So then take your outer cover, slide that one there back over the top. If it doesn't want to go in, just move that little latch right here until it lines up. Then you can take your screws, put them back in, hand tight, and follow through with the drill. And once it's all done, you can then test out your lock, make sure everything works as it should. Handle's nice and tight, nice simple video. Hopefully this has helped you guys out. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.